In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off live photo on the camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. And once the Camera app is opened, right here towards the top right corner, you can find that icon that is actually live photo mode icon, by tapping on which we can turn on or off live mode. So to turn off that mode, I'm just gonna tap on that icon once. It says live off, and now live photo icon crossed out, which means that currently live photo mode turned off. So in any time you can turn on and off that mode. However, by default, when you close Camera app and then open it up again, it will turn on live photo mode even if you turned it off lately. But now I'm gonna show you how we can easily fix that to preserve live photo settings. To do that, we need to go to the settings of our device. In settings, just scroll down until you find the camera. Then get into preserve settings and then scroll down to the very bottom, where we can easily find that option. It says that when it is turned on, it preserves the live photo settings rather than automatically reset to live photo turned on. So now if we go to Camera and turn off the live mode, it will save these settings, and then if we open up Camera app again, we can ensure that live photo mode is now turned off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.